trending today, and this one is in the Manica Post. Abusive father turns home into dungeon. Daughter meets death at his hands, and then attempts to fast-track burial. So a heartless Honde Valley man allegedly brutally beat up his daughter, aged 14, who succumbed to the severe injuries days later after accusing her of dating their neighbor's son. Baba anonzi Amos. Tikavati Amos tenta tonyanya. Anonzi Amosi Nyamangodo. 54-year-old man was known by relatives, neighbors, in the entire community as a heavy-handed disciplinarian and radical and authoritarian stricter, and his extremism bordered on abuse, they reckon. Munene ngashitozika unoti pamudhara ningirikini vanovera vanoita manje zvikasvika uku imi. So his ex-wife wakatokomentawo akati, I was married kuva Amos ava for 12 years. Tanti takaita vana vedu 4. And the marriage Anzi was a living hell. Anzi vaisaita baba ivavava. Anzi we had to divorce because I could not take it anymore. No one in the house was safe from his brutal wrath. And hardly a day passed without myself or any of the children vasina kurowa for sometimes for no apparent reason. And Hans Kanagato ipapo, he would use weapons like a hoe handle and a screwdriver to clobber his victims just to inflict miserable pain on them. And his was not a way of disciplining, but then severe punishment. Yeah. And Panim Sianogab, a lot of people who commented on this issue seem to suggest that they still carry scars from being disciplined by their parents, and some are still bitter as they consider it as abuse. We've spoken about it, saying, to spare the raw dish to spoil the child, saying this I'm a 2K generation, but we to go ahead and get it because I find a bit of discipline and stuff. But then kanayada so ichiri disciplinary cannot yato abuse. Panem siano anditi.
Isikujara tairowa vaskana. Tairowa isu. Tairowa but mazuvano nekuda kunzi maraitsi azvinhu zvachona zviri kuzocontributawo pakuti vana vave spoiled. Kwozoitawo vamwe vaberekiwo vekuti vanobva vazorova vana zviri beyond zvimwe zvisingatoiti seishu yamuri kutaura iyoyi. Inini ndina maiguru vangu vakarova mwana wavo musikana kusvika abva zino repamberi. Right now haatorina zino, vakamurova. Aminoti vakamurova how? Takazongoona mwana akutobleed. Taitogara navo pasame house. Vaiti kana vakurova mwana chero chavabata. Saka dzimwe nguva dzachona hazvidi kuti uve upedzere kana uine maproblems ako worova mwana uine bitterness yemaproblems ako. I think izvozvo futi ndo zvimwe zvinozocontributa kuti vabereki varove vana in such a way.
My grandmother used to say, unoudza munhu akaudzwa nedenga. Just trying to say, it is God who disciplines your child. Because we have seen most society matinogara, children with strict parents being notorious. With that beating which they get now and then, and they went beyond repair. Then we see children with laissez-faire parents being disciplined, being good children, being role models in the society. So in the end, just put your situations, my problems are with your kid or kids, kunamari, because he is the only one who can change these things. Point number 2, these parents who tend to treat or discipline their children to the extent of Amos. Dovabereki vaive kuti monepa next door kanzi ane mukomana. Vanoshora rainiresi vagumanya.com. Monepa next door kanzi amitiswa. They run with the gossip and vachishora my parents. So mwana wavo akazodaro dzinenge dzanyadzi neukasha, a mix of different things. Then at the end uri kuzviparira mhosva yausingazokwanisi kupedza wamujere and that. So at the end we talk to our children. Tikavatadza todisciplinawo neshamhu, but tikavatadza tozvisira kuna Mwari nekuti ndiye akatipa vana ava. Saka tinovadzosera kwavari kuti Mwari, mwana wamakandipa uyu, onai zvaakuita, saka moda kuti tidiwo naye. This is McNorman.